Hello friends, so now in this tutorial, in previous tutorial I told you that how to create the plan like this. Now in this tutorial we are just going to describe how to make the doors and windows. Okay, so for this one I will create one door here. Okay, nearby this plan I'm taking this complete copy, CO enter. Okay, and taking this plan here. Okay, and I am selecting this door, select similar, so the old door will select here. Okay, and remove. But when I make select similar, so these doors also selected, so we check. Okay, so don't do like this. Control Z when you use select similar. So first you have to do one thing, select this one, select similar. Okay, and deselect all here with the shift and selection. So this one is deselected. Okay, now you can remove these doors. Here I want to make the door. Okay, so what I can do, first of all I have to take here one circle. Okay, before the circle we will make here one frame. Okay, offset this. Okay, and suppose I'm making from like the beginning. Okay, suppose I have this wall, select the both wall and join it, J enter. Select this one and J enter. Okay, now here I want to make the wall. Suppose this one is like this. Okay, and I am removing this one. I don't need this section. This one also I don't need. Okay, now here I want to make door in this bedroom. So offset here I need first frame. Okay, or maybe any wall should be here, one block work. Okay, so block work of 150 I am taking here. Oh sorry, this construction is in centi, so offset. Okay, 15, offset 0.15. Okay, this is block work. After that I need to offset it for the frame. Okay, the frame size I am taking 75 mm. Okay, so for the 75 mm means 0.075. Okay, this is frame. Offset, now I need 1 meter door size, door opening. Okay, so 1, enter. Okay, now I need offset of 75.075. This is frame here. Okay, now trim unnecessary part which we no need. So this is the door. Okay, now what I can do here, I make the shape like this, okay, round shape. So what I'll do here, take circle, pick from this side because I need here the door should be closed this side. Okay, so from here and click in the middle of it. Okay, so one circle you'll get here, take line from here to here. I need to create line. Okay, offset this line.
You make line.
Line, simple line. L enter.
Simple line. Okay.
And offset this from here with whatever the board size. Suppose I'm taking here 40 or 35, whatever. Okay, 40. Sorry. Offset 0.04. Okay, this is the board size of the door. Select this one here. Trim it. Trim it. Okay, so this is the door. Now select this one, select this one, and this line completely up to here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll make, yeah, because this is wall. Okay, this is wall, and this is the door frame. Okay, because we will give the different color for the door frame and door, but the different color for the wall, so we will create separately. This is door. Got it? Now select all complete door. Okay, and we have group G, enter. Now if you will select this door, the complete door will select in one click. Okay, now you can give this door the properties, whatever color you want to give it. Got it? If you want the line weight, you can give the line weight also from here.
The circle you're making is from the
C, enter. From the draw.
From
simple.
the draw.
Yes, you can check as a C circle. Or if you will type C, enter, the circle will come. Got it?
Okay.
Like this you can create the window. Now we will talk about this window. Okay, so similarly I am moving this window here. Okay, the same we want to create here. Okay, so first we need to make one line here. Okay, because we want to put the window in the middle of this wall. So pick middle point and click it here.
How you recognize if it's the middle?
Because there is a snapping tool is on. This tool should be on. Okay, and here if you will go object snap, there is a all should be checked, end point, midpoint. Okay, select all and okay. So automatically when you will take line and when you will go to the middle of this line, you will get middle point, midpoint, and click it here. Okay, suppose you need 2000 mm or 2 meter window. So offset, okay, 1 meter this side or 1 meter this side. This window is small, I am making big one. Okay, delete this. This line was for the reference only. Okay, now create frame. Okay, so for the frame I am taking 75, same. Okay, 0.075, this one and this one. Okay, again go to L, take one reference line from the middle, because I want to create the frame, so I need one reference line in middle. Okay, so I will take this line and this line with the help of it. So I will check first what is the distance of this dimension is 200. Okay, so I will make offset of 0.05. Okay, this side 0.05, this side. It means from here to here is 100 mm. Okay, so 100 mm window we will take here. First offset 0.04 or 3. Okay, this side and this side for the subframe. Okay, and offset 0.05. Okay, so for the glass I am taking 0.5 this side, offset 0.05. Sorry, offset 0.005. Okay, you go 5 mm and 5 mm this side, so 10 mm is total for the glass. And now I'm get this. Okay, now I need to make the subframe also. This is main frame, this is subframe. So subframe I'm offset 0.04, 40 mm I'm taking this side and 40 mm I'm taking this side. Okay, now what you going to do, extend your these lines. Okay, and if you want you can trim this one also. No need to trim that one, trim this one, shift. Okay, and trim this one, trim this one, trim this one, and trim this one. Okay, trim this one. So this is the shape of frame. Okay, now similar, this is not the correct one, that is the correct one. Okay, again go here, make it extend. Okay, and trim this line, trim this line, trim this line, trim this line, trim this one, trim this one, and trim this one. So now this is the correct shape of window. Okay, now in this you can do gradient of blue color. Glass should be blue, maximum means should be blue in maximum time. this blue, but it's yellow also, so change the color. To yellow to blue. Okay, and the frame should be silver color, so gradient. Again, there is a silver color I have, little white. When you are just doing this option, it means you can zoom it, then you can click, so it would be perfectly okay. Now you need the big one frame, main frame. Again, go here, take it complete white, or like complete white. Okay, so this window is little different, but it's a perfect window. So you can make like this. Okay, whatever the size in your size you can do. Select complete window, group it. So now you can put anywhere, wherever you want. Okay, copy and paste. So I hope you understand this, how to create the window and doors, and keep watching, keep learning. Subscribe my channel to, I will put there so many videos in the construction and related to the construction field. Okay, so thank you so much.